Python Tarfile and Excludes. This is an excerpt from Python's documentation. If exclude is given, it must be a function that takes one filename argument and returns a Boolean value. Depending on this value, the respective file is either excluded, true, or added, false. I must admit that I have no idea what that means. Furthermore, deprecated since version 2.7, the exclude parameter is deprecated. Please use the filter parameter instead. For maximum portability, filter should be used as a keyword argument rather than as a positional argument so that code won't be affected when exclude is ultimately removed. Okay, and the definition for filter. If filter is specified, it must be a function that takes a tarinfo object argument and returns the changed tarinfo object. If it instead returns none, the tarinfo object will be excluded from the archive. Back to square one, smiley face. What I really need is a way to pass an array, or a delimited string, of excludes to the tarfile.add. I would not mind if you try to explain what those passages from PyDocs meant. P.S. This just crossed my mind. Making an array of a list of source dir content. Popping excludes. Doing tar.add on individual array members that are left. But I'd like it done in a more cultured way.
If exclude is given, it must be a function that takes one filename argument and returns a Boolean value. Depending on this value, the respective file is either excluded, true, or added, false. For example, if you wanted to exclude all file names beginning with the letter, you'd do something like for your case, you'd want something like which can be reduced to update. TBH, I wouldn't worry too much about the deprecation warning, but if you want to use the new filter parameter, you'd need something like which can be reduced to